Welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys my Hearts2Hearts The Chase album. I've had this for a while and I've been meaning to show you guys, but this is the package version. I really like keeping the stickers from the outside of the plastic if they're really pretty, so I took it off and I put it on this package. It looks kind of torn though, but it's okay. Let's begin. This is the front and this is the back. It's a Girl Scout theme. So first we have this. This book is a photo book. And that's the back with Falabella. We have Jiu, Carmen, Stella, Yuha, Ian, Aina, June, and Yeo. And on the back are lyrics. We have lyrics to The Chase and Butterflies. With credits, of course. Let's look at the CD. Here it is. It also comes with 2 pens. And 2 stickers. This one's my favorite of the 2. Of course, they have a crown. You can decorate it and cut it out and actually wear it. Let's see who this is a picture of. We have Carmen, Stella, and Jiu. And we have and I have this Polaroid of Yeon. And last but not least, I have 2 photo cards. Can you tell who I have just based off of the signature? We have 5 members. We have June, Aina, Yuha, Ian, and Yeon. This belongs to Yuha. Well, that was it for my The Chase package album. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys next time. Bye.